Hey guys, welcome to Macintosh Weekly. And today in this video I'm gonna show how to fix graphics acceleration, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth on macOS Sonoma for unsupported Macs. If you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe. And now, let's begin. For this guide, I'll be using a Mac Mini 2014 model, which officially doesn't support macOS Sonoma. If you want to install macOS Sonoma on an unsupported Mac, follow the guide from my button. Now, let me show you that currently Wi-Fi and Bluetooth is unavailable on this Mac, as this Mac doesn't have the official support for macOS Sonoma. Now, for fixing graphics, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, you'll need OpenCore Patcher. You can download OpenCore Patcher from the link under the video description. Make sure to download it from the link given under the video description, as this is the pre-release version, and you won't find it anywhere. After downloading the OpenCore Patcher, open it. After it opens, click on the settings and then disable verbose. If you don't want to debug the installation and then click on return. Now, simply click on build and install OpenCore. After OpenCore finishes building, click on the install to disk option. Here, select your macOS boot drive and then its EFI partition and then proceed with the prompts. Once you get this message, click on the reboot option and restart your Mac. While restarting, press and hold Command-Alt key and boot to your Mac Startup Manager. From the Startup Manager, select EFI Boot and press Enter and then continue to boot. After booting back, again open OpenCore Patcher. After it opens, click on Post-Install Root Patch and, from the menu, click on the Start Root Patching option and proceed with all the prompts. Once you get this message, click on the reboot option and restart your Mac. Now after restarting, let me show you that the graphics, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth are fixed and are working on an unsupported Mac. And as you can see, graphics, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth are fixed on unsupported hardware and are working absolutely fine. So, that was it. Hope it was useful. Consider like for the video, subscribe to the channel, and if you have any question, just comment down below. Thanks for watching, and have a great day ahead.